Hello and welcome to our instructional video on reducing the rational expression 4x squared minus 25 all over 2x plus 5 to its lowest terms. In this video, we will go through step by step on how to simplify this expression. Let's get started. Step 1. First, we need to factorize the numerator if possible. The numerator is 4x squared minus 25. This is a difference of squares. Recall that a difference of squares can be factored using the formula a squared minus b squared equals open a plus b close times open a minus b close. Here, 4x squared minus 25 can be written as 2x squared minus 5 squared. Using the difference of squares formula, we factorize 4x squared minus 25 to open 2x plus 5 close times open 2x minus 5 close. Step 2. Now that we have factorized the numerator, we need to simplify the expression by canceling out common factors. Our rational expression is now 2x plus 5 times 2x minus 5 over 2x plus 5. Notice that 2x plus 5 appears both in the numerator and the denominator. These terms will cancel each other out, leaving us with 2x minus 5. Therefore, the rational expression simplifies to 2x minus 5. This is the final step in the simplified form of the expression.